Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Sami, and today this video is all about the Mi8 launch event. Basically just a compilation video of the official news from the Mi and the leaked information, and I hope you enjoy. So first, it's about the name. It's definitely called Mi8, and the Mi7 will be gone, will be skipped. Now let's check what I've already known about Mi8 by judging from the official teaser posters and the trusted leaked information. First is the Snapdragon 845. Xiaomi released a poster today. It says everyone says Snapdragon 845 is the standard specs for a flagship phone, but why ours outperforms others indicates that Mi8 may have the ability to fully take advantage of this chipset. You see the leaked picture yesterday says AI engine 845. I guess Xiaomi will add its strong AI algorithm to it. Then it's about unlock. It must feature 3D infrared facial recognition. Hell yeah, it must be as good as iPhone 10. It supports payment system. Just check this leaked video, and possibly the on-screen fingerprint unlock. Judged from the official poster, you see the fingerprint under the number 6. But there is a big problem for this technology, is the mass production issue. As we all know, the tech company normally want a risk of putting an immature, sophisticated tech on its flagship product. But let's see if Xiaomi, will bring us surprise on that. Or there is more likely that Xiaomi rolls out the on-screen fingerprint scanner version only for limited users, just like the Mi 6 Silver Edition. It comes with dual camera. Xiaomi has been bragging about its camera all the time, but the results are not that great. I hope this time will be much better. Wireless charge and waterproof like IP68? Yeah, it will be. Dual GPS thing, as you can see the leaked information from yesterday. I guess this is something like AI map with GPS and could significantly boost the accuracy of finding your way. Good for me. And lastly is about the design. Seems like featuring this notch thing is inevitable. And since Xiaomi has to put so many sophisticated components in the front, the notch will not be any narrower than iPhone, let's say. Some previous leaked picture like this is too concept. But could possibly like the Mi Mix design style? No, not necessary for Mi company, right? Because it already has one. And about the launch event. Currently Mi8 and MIUI 10 will be 100% released. As for other rumored products, I don't think there will be any more. Mi Band 3, no. Guys, just don't expect too much for Mi Band 3. It doesn't even have this GPS feature. Trust me. And why I don't think there will be more products? Come on guys, what's the time duration for a launch event? Maximum 2 hours, right? And according to my experience, this, tech tycoons always bragging about the company achievements in the beginning for half an hour. Even the company maybe not perform that well. I just don't think they will come with more products. So just not so much time to release more products. But either way, I'll be translating the full launch event of Mi8. And why I'm doing this? Because I'm a big Mi fan, and I want just to help Mi company to get stronger, and I hope you could do that. Woo! And thanks for watching. Please stay subscribed, and see you on Mi8 launch event.